Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to play Pizza Tower on iPad, only way. Open your emulator app, import the game files responsibly, then enable touch emulation and map buttons to match the original controller layout. Calibrate sensitivity so jumps and dashes feel precise, and set display scaling to avoid clipping HUD elements. Test a few levels, tweak controls, and save the profile so you can play quickly next time without reconfiguring settings. Set your virtual buttons so jump and dash are separate and easy to reach with your thumbs. Use swipe gestures only for non-critical actions like camera nudges, since swipes can miss during fast combos. If you have a Bluetooth controller, pair it to your iPad and remap its buttons to the emulator profile for a console-like feel. Finally, practice level segments to build muscle memory for timing and precise platforming on touchscreens. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like, it really helps. Quick recommendation: life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty. They stay comfy during long gaming sessions and make your thumbs feel less distracted by cold toes. I dropped a link in the description along with other deals for gear that helps mobile play. Thanks for supporting the channel. Now let's get back to the video. Keep performance steady by closing background apps and enabling any low latency or high performance mode your iPad offers. Lower resolution or turn off extra visual effects in the emulator if you encounter stutters or frame drops. Monitor temperature and charge level because thermal throttling or low battery can cause input lag. Finally, save controller profiles and graphics presets once you find a setup that keeps the frame rate consistent through intense boss fights and long runs.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.